and welcome back for another edition of the KellumConnectMD.com Minute. Gabe Fadias, Dr. Danny Kellum. It's been a while.
It has been a while. Glad to be back, Gabe. How are you doing?
I am doing fantastic, feeling great.
Really?
You're looking awesome. Are you ready for the holiday season?
I'm ready to go. I'm ready for Christmas. Kids are doing well. Family's good. Can't complain about much, except you.
I don't believe you. I really, that was not with conviction that I'm ready for the holiday season.
It's a lot to get done, as everybody knows. But we're almost there, so I'm happy that it's here.
And it's a great time of the year, but sometimes people have the sniffles. People are not feeling great.
Absolutely.
This podcast is brought to you by KellumConnectMD.com. If you visit KellumConnectMD.com and you enter in the coupon code GETWELL, what was a $49.95 visit, which is practically the cost of a copay, it's only $39.95. You get a $10 off coupon code. It's Get Well, and with that coupon code they can see a provider, especially during the holiday seasons if they're not feeling good. If it's something that's treatable, and in most cases it is, you could call in a prescription and get them taken care of just in time for Christmas, for the new year, for the parties, for everything.
Yes.
It's a great service we offer.
Absolutely, Gabe. It is really, and this time of year I think is particularly beneficial because for $39.95 you talk about paying for convenience, the ability to get better. Doctors are always closed through the holiday season, so the predictability of being able to get an appointment or get in to be seen is always a little bit varied as well. And so this is an ideal time for the utilization of our service, combined with the fact that this is when cedar gets high. We see a lot of colds and flus come through as well. And so for $39.95 you get convenience, you get wonderful health care, you get the ability to get back into your family's organizations and opportunities.
There you go. Are we okay?
Yeah, we just messed that up.
That's great. No, well, we didn't mess it up. He just belched. In case it was like, and I love it when Dr. Kellum belches because you can always tell, like, yeah, Gabe, for the ease of, that's exactly what you did. It was one of those kind of, I tried to hide it, but I couldn't.
Are you a loud belcher?
I am.
Oh my God.
Very uncomfortable. A moist, loud belcher. It's like double trouble, man. It's bad. Anyways.
And that we can't treat on
Yes, and that you can, well, no.
Because that's just nasty.
It's just bad. But this video cast is actually about telemedicine and the advances and how we were able to come up with a process that is very beneficial for our patients. Absolutely. We see a lot of them. My favorite story is you telling me about that individual who you were able to treat on his back porch. Absolutely. He was just at his back porch, had his iPad, and was able to talk with you.
My favorite story. So one Sunday night I had a patient get onto Kellum Connect, connected with us, and treated him. He was outside on his porch looking at his deer, and it was really kind of a wonderful experience. Really kind of affirmed what we're doing in terms of making this convenient and easy for people, and got him taken care of. He got his prescriptions. He went on his way. Another great story, I think, is a guy who was having bad sinuses, went to eat Mexican food because he wanted something spicy to open his sinuses up. Called us, connected with us while he was walking outside of the restaurant, went to the pharmacy, got his medicine. And so it just goes to the convenience of the service. And so we're available when you think about it. We can get online really quickly and get things taken care of very easily. Completely different than the traditional go to the doctor, wait an hour, get your meds, it really makes medicine much more efficient, much more convenient, much more affordable in a lot of cases, and really is the way that medicine is going to be in the future, I think, for sure. And
at the core of this is just outstanding healthcare. Absolutely. We already provide that here in the Texas Tri-County area. Your brother John does a great job with OBGYN services in West Overhill. So at the core, we provide excellent healthcare, which is the same. But for me, the thing that sets this type of service apart is truly the convenience. Talk Absolutely. To the convenience and how we're able to help patients that not only are our patients, right. but patients that aren't our patients that just need help. Absolutely. So it's really the concept of urgent care within an online approach. And so, traditionally 20 years ago when I started practicing medicine, people went to their doctor for everything. The beauty of the urgent care process now is that you're able to, for little things that are non-urgent, that need a quick fix, you can go to different urgent cares and be able to get seen pretty efficiently. But we're trying to take that a step further and make it even more convenient and more affordable, quite frankly, because, often we pay $75, $100 for those visits, and for $49.95, and with the coupon code GETWELL, $39.95, it can make a big difference in terms of its ease and affordability. And it's not just a computer. If you have a computer, great, preferably a laptop, but you can use your tablet, you can use your cell phone. As long as you have a pretty good internet connection, you're going to be able to see. It's just super easy to to access our portal?
Super easy, and getting even easier, I will tell you, for the things that we're doing. And so, you know, in 1, 2, 3 clicks, you're in front of a provider getting the things that you need taken care of, and then medicine sent to the pharmacy. And so it really is a very easy, simple, convenient way of making things better. But I think, to your point, it is really great care. And so, you know, we at our hearts are family practitioners. And so our job is to take care of people, take care of families. And so we're not compromising any of that. What we're taking is what I think could do well and have done for a long time, and just package it in a way that really makes it much easier for individuals. Because I think the traditions of medicine, albeit very good, don't have to necessarily all stay in place. And so some of these things, there really is no need for a brick and mortar. It's something that can be done with a simple visit, and we can go from there.
And a lot of times these televisits are nurse driven. I love our nurses. We have a fantastic staff of medical assistants that work with us, but these are actual providers that you will see, MDs,
Absolutely.
PAs, and NPs that can write prescriptions, that can treat acute illnesses right in front. I mean, again, nothing against the nursing industry, but these are providers that you see.
Yeah, so traditionally when we saw some of the nurse calls and stuff, it was really for advice more than anything else, or if it was serious enough that you needed to go see a provider. And there's a wonderful place for that, don't get me wrong, but the idea that your first connection is with someone who can actually solve your problem, I think is a far better way to go. And so certainly that's where I think Kellum Connect MD will really provide the convenience and affordability for people that get online for all the simple things that come up in life.
How did you guys come up with this concept?
You know, it's funny, because about 8 years ago, the idea of telemedicine was starting to make its way within the medical community, and it's just something that I wanted to do. And about 3 years ago, we just committed ourselves to creating a solution so that we could make a difference for the community, and started thinking about how we wanted to do it. They came out with a telemedicine platform, and we just wanted to make it easier, so we modeled it based on an urgent care model. And so my thought was, how could I get people to be better without leaving their home? And this is the solution we came up with, and to anticipation, but a lot of it to our surprise, it's really taken off and done well.
I always use the phrase, the best part about it. There's so many best part about it when it comes to our product. You don't need insurance. This is something that you don't need an insurance plan. It's a cash pay service. So again, for $39.95, if you go to an urgent care clinic, it's going to put you out $150, $200. This is a low-cost solution for those that don't have insurance.
And I will tell you, when we first started this issue, it was really more for convenience more than anything else. But one of the surprises that really came from that, in terms of setting the price and delivering the product at this low cost, is really the affordability for individuals. And it wasn't necessarily the intent. It was really to be made more convenient for individuals. But the benefit that we're seeing is that to be able to see a doctor, to get your problems taken care of for $39, $40, that's unheard of this day and age. And so, I mean, that's been a wonderful surprise bonus to, I think, this much more efficient and convenient way of getting care.
And in addition to that bonus, with partnerships like GoodRx and some of these other pharmacy coupon codes that we have, or partnerships that we have, you can get a prescription for at an incredibly reasonable price without insurance as well.
Absolutely. So our whole goal in delivering these prescriptions is really looking at affordable generics, because cost is always one of the things that we have to be very mindful of. And so we try to the best of our ability, use generic medications, use things that are very effective and very well tolerated, but certainly very effective in curing the issue that's at hand.
And it's KellumConnectMD.com. Again, if you enter the coupon code GETWELL, visit KellumConnectMD.com, enter the coupon code GETWELL, you're going to get $10 off of your visit. They're normally $49.95, but with that coupon code, it's $39.95.
Yep.
Again, that's a great price to be able to see someone that can treat you and write you a script.
Absolutely, I think so too. And so we encourage people through the holiday season, if you start to feel ill, don't let it ruin your holidays. Get on Kellum Connect MD, get in touch with us, we'll get a prescription, get you feeling better, and you can go on about celebrating with your family.
Dr. Kellum, have a great holiday season, my friend.
Good seeing you again.
All right, guys, that's going to wrap up this edition of the KellumConnectMD.com Minute. Remember, if you want to set up an appointment for Kellum Family Medicine, we're located at 3401 FM 3009 Roy Richard Boulevard here in Schertz, Texas. Give us a call, 210-945-2121. But remember, if you can't leave your home and you need to see a provider online, on time, avoid the waiting room. Get a script written. Visit KellumConnectMD.com. Use the coupon code GETWELL. Folks, have a great holiday season.
Bye-bye now.